Hello again, this is Peter Phelps of Phelps 3D, working on the Little Monster, Cobblebot Little Monster. I finished up adjusting the stepper drivers so that the red ones are 0.4 volts and the purple ones are the 0.5 volts. And I swapped the LCD panel around so that I could have easier access if I need to continue adjusting this. So I can now go prepare. Let's go move axis. Let's move it just the 10s. And let's go with the X for this moment. And this will go all the way to 240. I was afraid that my tensioning system wouldn't go to the 240. Of course, that is just software-wise. I haven't done any calibration yet. But now I don't have that sound where it was like jumping. It's going do 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 do. What they said is that was probably caused by the drivers getting too hot. It shouldn't sound like that. It should sound like what you got right now, where I'm moving it back and forth. Okay, let's switch over to the Y. Switch to Y. And then I'm going to move the Y bed. Of course, like I said, there's been no calibration yet, so I have no idea if it's actually moving 240. But it definitely sounds better. And then you have to go into the move 1 millimeter one to move the Z. And we'll move the Z up. So that's good. We can move it back down. Or let me hit the auto home and see if that works this time. I'm going to select auto home on there and watch it. See, it hit this one. It already hit that one over there. The light's red. Lights light up red. It's coming all the way back down since I moved it way up. And so it should hit this switch here before it hits the bed, hopefully, like it did before. You'll see the light come on when it hits it. It tends to move up a bit. It'll hit it again and then come back down. That's part of the homing process for the Z. Well, it's supposed to. Where does it stop? Sometimes they go up and come back down and hit it again. It may have done it already and I just didn't notice. But as you can see, all three red lights are on. That's the Z axis. And
you want to play around with your Z-axis.
Here, we'll put this warning to good use. See, I gotta adjust the Z-axis because I'm way too loose. But it's better to be a little loose when you're doing this first setup than to be crashing it into the bed, so that's good. I'll play with the adjustment of this over here. I might have to come up with a different holder, I guess, maybe, because I think I'm already right on the bracket. It needs to come down just a little more. Either that or I have to figure out a way of creating something that's a little more, you can make fine adjustments to it. So right now it's just the bracket on there. But it's moving. It's had its first move. Hopefully not too far from having to actually print now. I still need to get some foam and put it in there and adjust the steps on that. I have to adjust the steps on everything. The next step is just spend time calibrating. So I still gotta figure out the Z here, because I'm a little loose because of the way I put that. But it's a beginning. Thank you. Goodbye.